Do you know the Akhil's room?
Akhil, is he UG?
Yeah, he's a UG.
Then ask those guys. Yeah, I don't.
And so we find that right in the next room, our dear friend finds the person he was looking for. This is not something rare when you come to a place in IIT called Hall 8. There is a degree of separation between the undergraduates and the postgraduates, and that is something which we will be examining in this documentary. To know more, let's ask the residents about this. Let's begin with the UGs. Do you think there is a division between UGs and PGs?
It's not exactly a division, but yeah, I do feel there is a separation.
Yes, I think so कि UGs और PGs में interaction कम है. I mean certainly less than what one would expect, because मतलब जो student community है I would rather envision it as a coherent body जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा divides ना हो, but there is certainly a UG-PG divide.
हाँ बिल्कुल, मतलब कि अगर तुम UG कंपेयर करो, UG के बीच इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा होता है, अपने PG के बीच काफ़ी इंटरेक्शन होता है, UG PG के बीच काफ़ी कम इंटरेक्शन होता है.
PG के बीच में इंटरेक्शन होता है क्या?
हाँ, PG उतना नहीं होता जितना मतलब कि UG वालों के बीच होता है.
There is a division, but I think that goes way back into the history of IIT Kanpur.
And it actually becomes explicit in various events या कुछ भी होता है, so you can actually see that divide. So I believe that yes, there is a divide.
That was one side of the coin. Now let's face the other. What do the PGs think?
इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल पर हाँ, यहाँ पर कुछ तो फ़र्क है यूजीज़ और पीजीज़ में. यूजीज़ हम देखते हैं कि ज़्यादातर आपस में मिलजुल कर रहते हैं और पीजीज़ ज़्यादातर अलग अलग रहते हैं.
Division. That is a natural division. Probably like there is some division between Hall 2 and Hall 3 residents, for example, because of the physical division.
So everyone agrees that there is a divide. But what are the causes for the divide? Let's ask them.
एक हमारा बताया जाना, दूसरा हम कभी लैब्स में वर्क नहीं करते. यूजी स्टूडेंट्स को लैब में वर्क बहुत कम करना पड़ता है, और कभी करना भी पड़ता है तो हमेशा पीजी स्टूडेंट्स एज ए इंस्ट्रक्टर होते हैं. तो ये एक मतलब आई वॉन्ट से इट, बट ये एक नेचुरल फीलिंग है. आप ज़्यादातर अपने इंस्ट्रक्टर को प्यार नहीं करते.
करके आए एमएससी वगैरह एमटेक वगैरह करके आए, अब पीएचडी वगैरह कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग मतलब यूजीज हैं ऑलमोस्ट. एक उस लेवल पे मतलब डिफरेंस आता है.
A different sense of priorities between UGs and PGs, right? For UGs, it's just the starting phase. They have just come out of their home and they are, they are inside the institute and they have a lot of opportunities here. They want to explore everything. So they go everywhere, try out various things. PGs, on the other hand, they have already done all these things in their respective colleges. More than that, they know now that yes, this is the path that I have taken. I have to do my research.
Has led to this tradition of undergraduates being more involved with institute level activities, and the PGs normally are somehow kept away from these. So maybe that has started off a tradition.
Live in different hostels, so proximity is an issue.
PG लोगों में उनका कोई इंटरेक्शन हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि हॉस्टल अलग अलग है, उनमें आपस में कोई मिलने नहीं होता है. ठीक है, उनमें PG वाले लोग अलग.
Have been interested at one point of time, and then there are obvious difficulties in getting into the core team or having a good percentage of PGs on the teams because of the politics that run behind all the elections and the way their hall people campaign for them, so they think they have an obligation to those people who campaign for them and they take them on their teams.
यूजीज में रीजनिज्म नहीं है, कहीं से भी रीजन का फंडा नहीं दिखाई देता. अनलेस कोई अपने को हिंदी ना सीखने पे बिल्कुल आ जाए. यूजीज में मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि कोई रीजन को लेकर किसी को कुछ कह रहा हूँ. पीजी से मैंने काफी देखा है.
लेकिन पीजी में ज्यादातर बहुत ज्यादा मतलब हो जाता है, रीजनलिस्टिक हो जाता है कुछ.
इनफैक्ट रीजनल जो बात आप कह रहे हैं, दैट माइट बी वन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स इन यूजी पीजी इंटरेक्शन ऑन अ रीजनल बेसिस. For example, you will find that there are people who come from Karnataka, they are members of Kannada Association, तो UG भी हैं और PG भी हैं, they actually meet because of those associations. ऐसे ही उर्दू एसोसिएशन वाले लोग UG PG में, so that actually helps in interaction. Unfortunate part is कि वो थोड़ा regional हो जाता है, but it is helping in UG PG interaction.
I see a lot of PGs from Andhra Pradesh, they take an active interest in cricket. So you can always find them other field, whereas there are definite differences in interests and group activities. For example, a lot of them play volleyball. I don't see us going and playing volleyball in the evenings.
फिर उसके बाद वो सब कुछ फिर हर चीज़ के आगे जिसके आगे M लग जाता है वही खराब होने लग जाती है.
Big different, like there can be big age differences, but not always big, especially for MTech students.
These are mostly concerned in academics, okay, about their career. Maybe, I mean, they are more senior and they didn't want to get involved into, I mean,